going to our room. Two beds. Then, dito may, tawag dito. Cabinet, closet,
Cabinet.
mirror. Then, it's just the bathroom.
Oh, ito nakita ko sa water.
Ayan.
This is what I appreciate. I appreciate.
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 Appreciate. Okay, let's...
Let's try it. It's so comfy.
What's
What's our
the view? Ay.
Nothing.
Oh.
Ayan. Ano ko lang si Kuya.
The build. Yeah. Hi! So we're now in Corniche. It's so peaceful. Ganda. Picture, picture. Push mo yan. Sige. Walk. Ito Mia. Wait lang. Do. Welcome to Corniche. So last time I was here 6 years ago. A lot of things changed. It's kind of silent for today. It's Sunday. It's a weekday for them. Friday and Saturday is the weekends. Hello! Going to meet Ate May today. Yay! Nakaabot pa tayo sa Do. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng Do? Do ha? Sorry? Okay. Welcome to Doha! Nakalog si Kuya, oh! Woo! Welcome to Qatar! Woo! Leo pa. and move. Eating chapati. Chapati dough ride. You met, ano pa, gutom na yan. So first, ako din, ngayon na-feel ko na siya. Chapati. Chapati. What kind of chapati? Dura.
Mama.
Mama bintay.
Picture mo kami.
Okay.
Bakit ka ganun? Ako lang kasi.
Chapati. Chapati.
I like this one better.
You like it?
Like what I ordered pizza.
Donut, barbecue fish. Let's go. Let's go. Wow! Nice view! Ha? Uy, magbe-baby na yan. Coco melon. Hello? Busy siya mag-upload. Ate, look at that. Did you see? Did you see? Wala pang tulog yan. 1 hour lang. Wow. Sarap yan ah. Ano to? What is this?
Seabass.
Sea bass. Naku, favorite ni Kuya to.
Talaga?
Ewan ko lang. Basta fish yun eh.
Excited na.
Sure up. Is this your favorite?
Yes. It's my favorite.
It's my favorite. Yes. Okay, you eat the... Ano ba yan? Hummus.
Ay, mag-order kayo.
Hummus, hummus.
Ay, matikman.
Perfect bite. Perfect bite.
Kakain pa tayo ng lamb chop, ah. Sarap.
Veneers. Camel.
Habibi.
Minsan, kailangan ng OTP, kaya hindi ko sure. First time kong gagamitin if ever. Thank you so much, Donut Al, Barbecue Fish, and Kuya for souvenirs. Discount. Showing my face.
Swipe your face, then you get discount.
Swipe your
And
face.
then we swipe our face, no discount.
Bye-bye! First day done. So happy. We met Mu and Uzma also.
Uzma.
Party. Good night,
Good night.
Habibti. Bye!